Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share, and play. Hi everyone. All right, today I'm starting with an 8x8 sheet of scrapbooking paper. All I'm doing here is I'm cutting it in half. Now this is the cutest, most simple envelope trifold pocket. Now, it's inspired by Cathy's Garden, and I've also seen Rene do it over at Be Reborn Art and Healing. Anyway, all you do is you make a peak at the top. So here I'm just folding both corners in to meet, and then you get a nice straight line across, and then that looks like an envelope flap. See, when you fold it down, it looks like the top of an envelope. So then I'll stick that down in a minute. Now the next step is, that's your journaling spot underneath. I'm just folding it up. So it's like making an envelope without actually gluing down the edges of the envelope. So finding a page in my book, you could just put it on the middle of a page here and putting it on the bottom. And that way it can be a journaling spot and a pocket if I just glue 3 sides. So yeah, pretty cute. All right, we'll just finish putting it together. And these are so super quick. So I'm just gluing the 2 little corners down, and that makes the top of the envelope, inverted commas. And then it's just a matter of decorating. So I did ink around all the edges, and I inked the back of my folds as well. Inside on the journaling space, you could do a number of things. You could do some stamping to add a little bit of extra something. Sounds like they're doing some more work on the house behind us. Sorry about the noise in the background. All right, just using a circle, punching half a circle, and that is a little thumb hole. So it means when they lift the envelope, they'll see the little thumb hole, which will give an indication that there's something else underneath. So there we are. Here's the next one, folding down the 2 corners. Again, I'll glue that down, and then I'll ink all around the edges. So just folding the peak down, and then using the bottom of the page and folding it up. So remember, you can make this as long as you want as well. So you can just keep, you can fold it up to 1/3 and then another 1/3, or, 1/4 and then 1/4. So it could really keep folding, unfolding down and down and down and down for a really long journal spot. It kind of reminds me of a family story of my grandfather. And that was that he got a long piece of paper and rolled it all up in a very long scroll. And at my mum and dad's wedding, he gathered it in his hand and said, "I just have a few words to say," and then let the whole scroll fall down. And everybody, laughed. So, yeah, visual humour. It's always been a big thing in our family. So as you can see there, I glued around 3 sides, and then that creates a pocket. This here is just an image that I printed out off one of those free image websites, and I printed it on card, and then I stuck it onto a piece of card, rounded the corners, inked the edges, and it's a very simple journal card, no extra embellishment at all. And then the only decoration I'm doing on these pockets is just on the peak. That's how Cathy did hers. I can't remember how Rene did hers. But anyway, just a little bit of calico behind a little label on that one. On this one, I had some belly bands, and this was the edge that I cut off them. So popped a little picture in the middle, and then simple finish off, embellishment, decoration, all those different words that I just couldn't think of in the moment, to have that one aside to use next time. And speaking of Rene, I like her ideas too, that when you're doing any ephemera, she tends to do one for each of the books that she's working on. And I always tend to do more than one because then I've got something to use in the next book. I've got something to grab to decorate a page. So yeah, it's always a good idea to do a couple. And interestingly, the second and the third and the fourth and the fifth, they'll often end out, you know, differently to how you started. And it's another way to find your own style. So there you are, the little pocket behind the envelope journal spot. And they just flip down. So you can put them in flat, or they can actually go in a pocket themselves. They're nice and flat. There you are, all finished. And I'll see you next time. I'd love it if you leave a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw. And of course, please subscribe if you'd like to. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating and enjoy.